Imagine earning digital currency just by tapping your phone, a currency designed for everyone, everywhere. This is the Pi Network, a new cryptocurrency that's easy to use, requiring only a smartphone and a few seconds each day. Pi's mission is to put financial power back into the hands of ordinary people, creating a global, community-driven currency. At the heart of this movement is the Global Consensus Value, or GCV. GCV isn't just about price, it's a shared belief among Pi users, or pioneers, about what one Pi coin should be worth. Instead of waiting for outside markets, the community sets Pi's value themselves, building confidence and a self-sustaining economy. By agreeing on a value, pioneers can use Pi to buy and sell goods and services right now, proving its real-world utility. The GCV movement is a testament to the power of community, showing that value can be created through unity and collective action. This approach shifts financial control from institutions to individuals, making millions co-creators of a new digital economy. The GCV framework empowers every pioneer to help build a stronger, more inclusive global economy. Every tap and every barter transaction strengthens this vision. Pi Network and the GCV movement together represent a revolutionary step toward financial inclusion. It's not just about technology, it's about people, empowerment, and a shared future. Welcome to the journey of building a currency for everyone. Leading the GCV movement are the GCV ambassadors, dedicated volunteers who educate and inspire the Pi community. They organize events, answer questions, and ensure everyone understands the importance of unity and consensus. Ambassadors bridge cultures and foster cooperation, acting as strategists and visionaries. Alongside them is the GCV Army, everyday pioneers who bring the GCV vision to life in their communities. The Army participates in barter, spreads the word, and encourages local businesses to accept Pi. Their collective action demonstrates Pi's real-world value, one transaction at a time. Ambassadors provide strategy and education. The Army implements these ideas on the ground. This decentralized teamwork keeps the movement agile and responsive. Information flows both ways, ensuring the community adapts and grows organically. The GCV movement thrives because it's not top-down. It's a living network united by purpose. Ambassadors are knowledge hubs. The Army is the connective force. Together, they're building a new economy based on trust, education, and participation. Their dedication proves that shared belief can drive extraordinary change. For any currency to succeed, it must prove its real-world usefulness, and Pi has done just that. The Solapur Mega GCV event in India was a landmark. Thousands gathered in a bustling marketplace, trading everything from clothing to electronics using Pi at the GCV rate. This wasn't just theory, it was a working Pi economy in action. Vendors, farmers, and students all used Pi for real transactions, showing its practical value. The event drew media attention and inspired others to join the barter movement. But it's not just about big events. Barter using Pi is happening daily worldwide. Local economies are forming, with online marketplaces and social media groups enabling trades for goods and services. Each transaction, no matter how small, strengthens the Pi economy from the ground up. These real-world uses are the strongest proof of Pi's potential. Merchants accepting Pi cast a vote of confidence in its future. This grassroots adoption sets Pi apart from other cryptocurrencies. Pi isn't waiting for traditional finance's approval, it's building its own decentralized marketplace. Every barter is a step toward a vibrant, inclusive digital economy. The proof is in the action, not just speculation. The GCV movement is a global phenomenon, spreading rapidly across continents. In Vietnam, merchants accept Pi for everything from coffee to electronics, creating a thriving local market. Indonesia and the Philippines host regular barter fairs, connecting producers directly with consumers and empowering small entrepreneurs. In Africa, especially Nigeria and Ghana, Pi is a tool for financial inclusion, helping young entrepreneurs start businesses and trade globally. The GCV provides a stable value, giving users confidence to transact and build. These regions show how Pi can empower developing economies and foster equity. Countries learn from each other. Vietnam's success inspires Nigeria, and Indonesia's models are adopted in the Philippines. The GCV movement has created a global network of collaboration. Social media and online forums connect pioneers, who share strategies and celebrate trades. This interconnectedness is building a unified, borderless barter economy. The movement's appeal is universal, a financial system built for and by the people. Every successful trade strengthens the global Pi community. The GCV-powered barter economy is proof that a new, people-driven financial future is possible. At the core of the GCV movement is a bold number: $314,159 per Pi. This value, inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, is both symbolic and strategic. It gives Pi a unique identity and positions it as more than just another cryptocurrency. A high consensus value means even small amounts of Pi can be used for significant purchases: cars, real estate, major services. The goal is to make Pi a serious store of value, not just a speculative token. The community's belief and consistent transactions at this value give it real power. Value is always a matter of collective agreement, just like with any currency. Every barter at the GCV rate is a vote of confidence, strengthening the consensus. This is a decentralized, democratic process of value creation. The $314,159 value is a statement of ambition and unity. It signals belief in Pi's potential to become a dominant global currency. Supporting the GCV is an act of faith in the project and in each other. It's the heartbeat of the movement, driving the Pi network forward. Building a new global economy isn't easy. The GCV movement faces skepticism and misinformation. Doubters question the high consensus value, spreading fear and uncertainty. To counter this, ambassadors and pioneers focus on education, sharing success stories and clear information. Another challenge is discipline. Some may be tempted to trade Pi at lower prices, undermining the consensus. The community responds with positive reinforcement, emphasizing the long-term vision and collective benefit. Unity is the movement's greatest strength. When millions stand together, belief becomes reality. Every milestone, from small barters to major events, is celebrated to boost morale and commitment. Leaders remind everyone, one Pi, one world, one price. This shared purpose helps the community stay resilient. Overcoming obstacles requires patience, persistence, and belief in the mission. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. By facing challenges with unity and clear strategy, the GCV movement proves its strength. Together, they're turning the vision of the Pi network into reality. The GCV movement's greatest strength is its grassroots foundation. It's not led by corporations or elites, but by ordinary people worldwide. Every ambassador, army member, and pioneer is a co-creator of this new financial system. This bottom-up approach keeps Pi true to its mission, a currency for everyone. The value built by users gives Pi resilience and lasting support. As more people join, the network grows stronger and more valuable. The future is bright. Pi could soon be accepted everywhere, enabling instant, borderless transactions. Artists, creators, and small businesses can access global markets without barriers. The GCV community is building a future of financial freedom and inclusion. Through unity and belief, pioneers are changing the world one transaction at a time. The GCV movement is a declaration of economic independence and a blueprint for a fairer future.